Hi everyone, welcome to Connect Thrive Technologies. Okay, today I am going to explain one of the important concept, that is what is your client or a customer enterprise structure or a org structure. So whenever we are giving the interview, okay, the interviewer asks the same question with a different ways. Like may I know your customer org structure? Can you please explain the your customer enterprise structure? Can you please tell your present like org structure or enterprise structure? Like that they will ask. Okay. So today I'm going to give an example by taking the one company. Okay. So let's see that. So here I'm going to take an Akshay Patra. So this is an just example purpose. I'm going to do this, but for better understanding to explain the org structure. But this is the not actual client which we used here. So just for an example purpose, understanding purpose, which I am going to explain this. And one more thing, here for a manufacturing company, service-based company, any business, those who are doing the trading and all, it is very easy to define the org structure for them. Many of the people might aware. But when it comes to here, the Akshay Patra, it's not a profitability based business. It's a charity trust. So it's a NGOs, non-profit organization. So in this case, how we will give a solution to them to create an enterprise structure for a non-profit organization trust case. Let's go and have a look on it. Okay. So if you see here, this is an Akshay Patra. So currently it was managed by the ISKCON temple. The trust ISKCON is managing these things, I believe. They have operations in multiple locations within India. But here I'm taking an example with different countries, not states. Let's see that. So see here. So Akshay Patra, they have operations across the globe. So in this case, let's take an example. This is a charity. Okay. So the charity, it will not make a restrictions to a particular state or a location or a country. Wherever they want to do the service for the nation, they can go and do it. So as this example, Akshay Patra, yes, it is there in only India, but I'm taking it beyond that for a better understanding. Let's assume they have operations in across the globe. So in this case, they have a ledger called Akshay Patra Primary Ledger. Okay? And we have one more ledger, Akshay Patra Ipsas Ledger. So this Ipsas related, I will tell you later. Okay. So Ipsas means it's a second ledger. The we will call it normally, right? IFRS 16, we will call it second ledger. But when it comes to these charities, non-profit organization, NGOs, and all, they should file and they should show over their books to the government for that local bodies with the IPSAS ledger. That means they should follow the IPSAS process. IPSAS standards they have to follow. International Public Sector Accounting Standard they should follow. So that is the reason why their accounting system is entirely registered in the IPSAS ledger only. Okay, to show the government under. Main thing it will happen everything accounting they will expect in IPSAS, not from the primary. Okay. They will internal purpose they will maintain main thing in a primary ledger IPSAS instead of IPSAS. But most of the transactions they will follow like lease accounting, even accounts payable, receivable. What are the point? Mainly they will follow the IPSAS ledger. Okay. So now in this case, this is a charity. That is the reason why I'm showing second ledger also. In previous videos, I showed for a MDH case, GE Digital case, and then Toshiba case. Yes, they have a unified second ledger for each country to show their books in a different accounting method as part of the second ledger they will show. But here, entire nation, I mean to say, if you see here, they have a one legal entity. The Akshay Patra Foundation, this is the legal entity. So we have a primary ledger and second ledger, but these two is associated to one legal entity. and it's a non-profit organization. Okay, so now if you see the foundation locations, it is there: India, United States, Dubai, Canada, Mexico, Switzerland. Okay, so it is not restricted to specific India. So it's in a charity, they can go and serve wherever the service is required, maybe floods or else any uh, so like wherever hospital related service, some poor villages they will go, urban areas, tribal areas, okay, like that they will go wherever the service is required, and they will go and do the that respective service to the people. So in this case, these Akshay Patra, they have a unified legal entity which is registered in India, but they are going to do the business across the globe. So in this case, they have one primary ledger, one legal entity, one secondary ledger. But associated to book the transaction for each country wise, they have a individual company. Like India, we can call it as a thousand. US, we can call it as 1001. Dubai 1002, 1003 for Canada, 1004 for Mexico, Switzerland for 1005. So, like for each country wise to operate that trustee, we proposed this company code, and within that we created associated BUs. Akshay Patra India BU, Akshay Patra United States BU, and Akshay Patra Dubai BU, and Akshay Patra Canada BU, and Akshay Patra Mexico BU, Akshay Patra Switzerland BU. So like that, their head office, their main operations in their India, but they are doing the service across the globe. So for each country wise, they created one associated balance segment value, their associated business unit we created. So and associated BU, it will be represented the country. So if you are doing the business in India, Akshay Patra related service center, we can book in India. If you are doing in United States, Dubai, Canada, Mexico, Switzerland, so you can go and open that respect to be there. What are the expenditure which you serve to the government? I mean, sorry, not on the people. So the floods are wherever the people they need that money and the charity which you are doing. That you can regard that respective country level. They have respective company. Okay. So under the BU, we have a associated country specific inventory arc, like India inventory arc, India inventory arc, then after that US inventory arc, then Dubai inventory arc, then next we have a Canada inventory arc under the BUs, each BU guys, okay. The next Mexico inventory arc, then Switzerland inventory arc. So the same as usual, the remaining structure same one. So associated inventory arc level, we have to maintain associated sub inventory arc again. India sub inventory arc, US sub inventory arc, Dubai sub inventory arc, Canada sub inventory arc, Mexico sub inventory arc, Switzerland sub-inventory arc. So then at this locator creation, it depends on the requirement we will create. Okay. So like that, each and every country we created a separate BU, each country was BU. These each country they will follow the this IPSAS accounting system, and at the same time they will follow the unified legal entity called the Akshay Patra Foundation. So if you see the architecture overall, they have one unified primary ledger for across the globe, one unified secondary ledger for across the globe. These two are associated to one legal entity. Under this legal entity, how many countries? Let's take 130 countries they are doing the business. 130 country locations. They will create the 130 BUs, 130 inventory, 130 sub-inventory, and locators depends on the requirement. 130 company codes we will create. So such a way we can give the solutions to the customers when they are into non-profit organizations or trustees or a non-profit organization. Okay. So this is based on my understanding. I just explained to this, but most of the people they may not get chance to work on this non-profit organization related customers. But just for your understanding, I'll explaining this example because one sometimes interviews what they will do, they will try to bluff us. No, no, I'll create only one primary ledger, one secondary ledger. I will maintain one legal entity. So because of that, is it possible to do the business across the globe? Or not? Like that, they will ask. So in this case, If you know, yes, we have a solutions like this also. If you know, you guys aware, you can take that words. If we asked us confidently, you can tell the interview that kind of answers. Okay. So people may aware, people may not aware, guys. Simple. So I know about these customers. So that is the reason why I given this example. Okay. Yes, it is possible. If we have one primary ledger, one legal entity, one secondary ledger, if you want to do the operations across the globe, yes, 100% you can do. So it's happened mainly for this non-profit organization. Okay. Yeah. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up. Share this kind of good videos to your friends and colleagues. So there also they can understand the product with very good knowledge. They feel very comfortable when they are giving the interviews. Okay. Share the knowledge to others and everyone, guys. It will benefit for everyone. We should grow together all. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day. Please subscribe the Connector Technologies YouTube channel. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.